iOS 17 is packed with new features, both big and small. But there are also a number of hidden features that you might not know about. Here are 10 hidden iOS 17 features that you need to try. Automatically delete one-time codes. One-time codes can be a pain to keep track of, and they can also clog up your Messages app. In iOS 17, you can now automatically delete one-time codes after you've used them. To enable this feature, go to Settings, Passwords, Clean Up Automatically. Share passwords with other iPhone users. Sharing passwords can be a chore, but it's about to get a lot easier in iOS 17. You can now share passwords and passkeys with other iPhone users using the built-in passwords functionality. To do this, go to Settings, Passwords, Share Password. Use visual lookup to decipher laundry symbols. Laundry symbols can be confusing, but iOS 17 can help. With visual lookup, you can now take a photo of your laundry symbols and iOS 17 will tell you what they mean. To do this, open the Photos app, tap on the laundry symbol image, and then swipe up and tap on Lookup Laundry Care. Add crossfade to the Music app. If you're listening to music on your iPhone, you can now add crossfade to make the transitions between songs smoother. To do this, open the Music app, go to Settings, Playback, and then toggle on crossfade. Use live text to translate text in videos. Live text is a great way to extract text from images, but it can also be used to translate text in videos. To do this, open the Photos app, tap on the video, and then tap on the live text button. Once the text is extracted, you can tap on the Translate button to translate it into another language. Use Spotlight to search for photos by location. Spotlight is a powerful search tool that can be used to search for everything on your iPhone, including photos. In iOS 17, you can now use Spotlight to search for photos by location. To do this, open Spotlight and type in the location you're looking for. Use Siri to control your smart home devices without unlocking your iPhone. In iOS 17, you can now use Siri to control your smart home devices without unlocking your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, Siri, and search My Shortcuts, and then tap on the plus button to create a new shortcut. Select the Siri phrase in action, and then tap on Done. Once you've created the shortcut, you can say, Hey Siri, and the phrase you chose to control your smart home devices. Use focus modes to filter notifications. Focus modes are a great way to stay focused on what's important and avoid distractions. In iOS 17, you can now use focus modes to filter notifications. To do this, go to Settings, Focus, and then select the focus mode you want to edit. Tap on Apps, and then tap on the plus button to add the apps you want to receive notifications from. Use live text to translate text in real time. Live text is a great way to extract text from images, but it can also be used to translate text in real time. To do this, open the Camera app and point it at the text you want to translate. Tap on the Live Text button, and then tap on the Translate button. Use Universal Control to control your Mac and iPad with your iPhone. Universal Control is a great way to control your Mac and iPad with your iPhone without having to switch between devices. To enable Universal Control, go to Settings, General greater than AirPlay and Handoff and toggle on Universal Control. Once it's enabled, you can move your cursor between your devices and control them with your iPhone. These are just a few of the hidden features in iOS 17. Be sure to explore your iPhone to find more hidden features that you can use to make your life easier and more productive.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.